Hi guys, welcome back to Cindy's Kitchen. Let me show you how to make this Haitian spaghetti. Hi y'all. I'm just trying my food after making it, the pasta. It's so good, you guys. And one thing when it comes to Haitian food, the less complicated you make it, the better it tastes. Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make Haitian spaghetti. I realize I don't have one on my channel, and Haitian spaghetti is one of my favorite foods. I could eat it anytime, but in Haiti we eat it for breakfast in the morning. Let me show you an easy recipe. To get the written recipe, I will post the link in the description box below to go to my website to get everything, the measurements, everything that you need to make the spaghetti. The simpler you keep it, the better it's going to taste. What we're gonna do, we're gonna start by boiling water. In Haiti, we cook our pasta differently. So you need the water, add green onion, scallion, garlic, salt, and a little bit of oil. I personally cook my eggs and my carrots with my pasta, but you're welcome. Olive oil. Don't be scared to add oil. Use olive oil because olive oil is really good for you. Make sure you get the real olive oil, not the fake stuff, not the blended things. So yeah, get olive oil so that way you don't feel too guilty about all the fat. Because olive oil is good fat. So we're gonna go ahead and fry our sausages. Saute for 5 minutes until it gets golden brown. You can use sausage, you can skip the sausage, you can use hot dog, you can use chicken. When it comes to Haitian spaghetti, the sky is literally the limit. You can use tuna, you can use beef, you can use so many things, you can use chicken, but this is a simple pasta. This is for the beginners, okay? What I did, I added my cloves. Why? To intensify the flavors. When you add, because it's so quick. So I still want my flavors to be in there. So I fried the clove along with the sausage. Do that too. Don't skip this step. Clove is so tasty. It's so yummy, and I see a lot of people don't like it. Y'all need to grow up. Like grow up for real. Fry the sausages until it gets golden brown, and then after that we're gonna add our épices. If you need a recipe for the épices, I will link it in my description box below. Épices is super easy to make, and you need épices for every single savory Haitian dish that you're making. Be sure to check out the recipe and make it. You need it. Okay? Also check out cindyscookingrecipes.com for the written recipe. Now we're gonna add the épices. I added about 4 tablespoons of épices. Like I said, simple ingredient. Just the épices, da 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 da, not too much. Because I've seen people make Haitian spaghetti, they add so much. But I just want to say, you can add bell peppers if you want. But like I said, I wanted to keep it simple. The simpler it is, the better it is. Trust me. After you have added the épices, let it get a little toasty for about 3 minutes or so on high heat, right? And then that's gonna be followed by the tomato paste. The tomato paste is to give it color. You may also skip it if you want. It's not a necessity. It's not necessary. You can skip it because I've cooked spaghetti plenty of time without tomato paste and it's fine. You can skip it, like I said. You don't have to. If you want to, you can. Okay, like I said, it's a very simple dish. This is one of the dish when you get home from a night out with your friends or with whomever and you're like hungry. Honestly, with your partner, you get home and you're like hungry and you make Haitian spaghetti. I make Haitian spaghetti at 1 a.m. I don't care. I'm eating Haitian spaghetti any time of the day. This is a good food. Like, this is a good hangover dish. Like, you know, when you get home, you know how sometimes when you're drunk and hungry, you go to McDonald's. Oh my gosh, imagine if they had a drive-through Haitian spaghetti. Okay, so after you add the tomato paste, go ahead, stir, and then start adding the pasta water. Add it little by little until all the tomato paste is dissolved, and then go ahead and add the whole water because you want to make a little sauce. This is our little red sauce. So go ahead and make that sauce, like I said. And then we're gonna add our spices. So black pepper. For this recipe, I am using chicken bouillon. Go ahead and add the parsley and thyme, fresh parsley, fresh thyme necessary, and the pepper, scotch bonnet pepper or this Thai chili, optional. If you like heat, add it. If you don't like heat, don't add it. And a little bit of lime juice because we have the sausage in there. You know, Haitian gotta add lime juice whenever there's meat involved in anything, right? So do that. Lime juice or lemon juice, or you can skip it. If you're nasty, skip it. I don't care. It's your dish, right? So we're adding chicken bouillon cube. You don't have to, if you don't have that, if you can't find that, use Nor or use this powder. Same thing. And this is how I grew up seeing Haitian spaghetti made in my house. A little bit of MSG. You can skip it if you don't want to. In Haiti, we call it accent. It's same thing here too, but it's literally the same thing. You can skip it if you don't want to. Some people think it's unhealthy. Go ahead. My grandmother's still alive, thank God, and she's been eating accent for all her life. So I wouldn't trust every single thing people say on the internet, right? And also, there is actually a story behind MSG. It's all propaganda, but it's a different story for a different day. So go ahead and stir that little sauce and let it come to a simmer for a few minutes. 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes simmer on low heat because you don't want it to dry up. Lower your heat at this point. Also, be sure to taste before you add salt. I added a teaspoon of salt right here. Taste it first because you know the chicken bouillon is very high in sodium, which is the only thing that I use. So this is why I said the recipe is delicious, and the less you do, the better it is. Growing up in Haiti, this is literally how they made spaghetti in my country, in my home, my house, my household. It's just that. It's literally the épices and then the Maggi, and that's it. The peppers and the clove, the black pepper, and that's it. So once your sauce has simmered for 5 minutes, go ahead, give it a stir and taste it. You can go ahead and add your butter right now at this time. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the spaghetti. If you are enjoying this video so far, you'll like what you're seeing and you want more, this is your time to subscribe to my channel because we have a lot more coming. A lot more. So go ahead and subscribe. I actually, you remember the green onion and the garlic we cooked the pasta with? I didn't get rid of it. I left it in there because I want all of that good stuff in there. So go ahead and stir. Make sure you don't break your pasta. That's why it's good to not overcook it, right? So it doesn't become like a porridge because we're not making porridge. So go ahead and stir this baby. Stir everything until everything is evenly coated. Go ahead and stir until everything is coated. And then after that, we're gonna cover and let it simmer for a couple minutes, just a few minutes, not too long, because you don't want the pasta to overcook, but you want all the flavors, all the sauces to get in that pasta and the follicle of the pasta. Sorry. And my friend, this is it. This is Haitian spaghetti, the simple version. There's so many versions, and of course, serve it with this beautiful fresh watercress, beets, carrots, tomatoes, and purple onion. Oh my lord! When I tell you this sauce is so good, I hope you guys give it a try. If you do, of course, let me know in the comments below. I cannot wait to hear about it. I cannot wait to hear how you guys like it. And like I said, it's one of my favorite food. I just love it. I love it. It's always been my favorite. I can eat it any time of the day. I don't care. I'll eat the whole lot of it. I eat the whole plate. I'll eat the whole pot. That's how much I love pasta. This is how I plated it. It looks so cute. And I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hi y'all. I'm just trying my food after making it, the pasta. It's so good, you guys. And one thing when it comes to Haitian food, the less complicated you make it, the better it tastes. Trust me. Follow my steps, follow my recipe. It will be the best Haitian spaghetti you've ever had in your life. It's so good. And I love spaghetti, so. Mm. 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 And you gotta take a bite with everything, the flavors, the sweetness of the carrot, the beets, the watercress. You know, it's a bit bitter. It's strong flavors. The onion, the tomatoes. Oh, so many flavors. And ketchup, of course. Listen, if you don't put ketchup on your spaghetti, Haitian spaghetti, I don't know, even Haitian, like, are you for real? You know what's crazy? We use a lot of tomatoes. We use tomato paste and we use ketchup, so we don't even need to put no sugar. So to balance the sour, this, you know, by, oh my god, this is so good. So bomb. My skin looks so good though. I promise you, I'm gonna start looking cuter on the internet when I'm doing my YouTube video, but like my skin looks good. This is like heaven. Cindy's heaven.